Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to Biology online class. We are already discussed about some of the reproductive events, that is gametogenesis, insemination, fertilization, implantation, gestation and parturition. See, the first one is gametogenesis. See, gametogenesis means the primary sex organs, that is testes in males and ovaries in females produce gametes. Testes in males and ovaries in females produce gametes by a process called gametogenesis. And let us see the process spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis was defined as immature male germ cells, or spermatogonial cells. Immature male germ cells or spermatogonial cells produce sperms by a process called spermatogenesis, and that begins at puberty. See, puberty means it's a sexual maturity. And becomes capable of reproduction. See, puberty means it's a sexual maturity and becomes capable of reproduction. Spermatogenesis was defined as immature male germ cells or spermatogonial cells produce sperms. See, this process is called spermatogenesis. See, spermatogenesis begins at puberty. First, the spermatogonial cells. The spermatogonial cells present on the inner wall of the seminiferous tubules. The spermatogonial cells present on the inner wall of the seminiferous tubules undergoes mitotic division. Undergoes mitotic division and increase its number. So spermatogonial cell tana numbers anna increase ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ with the help of mitotic division. So it undergoes mitotic differentiation and increase its number. See, some of the spermatogonia continue as type A spermatogonia and some of the spermatogonia are called type B spermatogonia. Some of the spermatogonia continue as type A spermatogonia. Type A spermatogonia means they continues to divide. ಅದು divide ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. So type B spermatogonia are the precursor of sperms. Actually sperms production ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು type B spermatogonia ಇಂದ. Type A spermatogonia just to divide ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So the spermatogonial cell, some of the spermatogonial cell continue as type A spermatogonia, while others differentiates into type B spermatogonia, and type B spermatogonia are also known as precursor of sperms, means type B spermatogonia involved in the sperm production. Now let us see the spermatogenesis process. So the first spermatogonia see, this spermatogonia undergoes mitotic differentiation. Spermatogonia undergoes mitotic differentiation and increase its number. See the chart here. See, the spermatogonia undergoes mitosis. One spermatogonia irutte, ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಎರಡರಿಂದ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So spermatogonia ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, mitotic division ಆಗಿ ತನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. See, this phase, ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. See, this phase is called multiplication phase. Multiplication phase means spermatogonia undergoes mitotic differentiation and increase its number. See, this phase is called multiplication phase. So as I already told, some of the spermatogonia continue as type A spermatogonia and some of the spermatogonia differentiates into type B spermatogonia. Type A spermatogonia continues to divide. ಅದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟೈಪ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫೇಸು. ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಫೇಸ್. Type B spermatogonia enters growth phase and type B spermatogonia are nourished by the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells provide nourishment to the developing sperms. That is a function of Sertoli cells. So this type B spermatogonia nourished by Sertoli cells. Type B spermatogonia nourished by Sertoli cells and grows for brief period. ತನ್ನ ಸೈಜನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು, ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ nourished by Sertoli cells and grows for a brief period and transformed into primary spermatocyte. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ precursor of sperms. So that's why type B spermatogonia enters the growth phase and are nourished by Sertoli cells and grows for a brief period and transformed into primary spermatocytes. They will grow for a brief period and then transformed into primary spermatocytes. See, these primary spermatocytes are formed. Primary spermatocytes are formed and this phase is called growth phase. ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಬಿ ತನ್ನ ಸೈಜನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಫೇಸೇ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಎ ಅದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಗೆ. ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ complete its first meiotic division. Primary spermatocytes completes its first meiotic division and forms, see, 2 equal haploid cells. 2 equal haploid cells are formed. Primary spermatocytes complete its first meiotic division and there is a formation of 2 equal haploid cells. They are called secondary spermatocytes. They are called secondary spermatocytes. See, why secondary spermatocytes are considered as haploid cells? See, spermatogonia, it's a diploid cell. Means it contains 46 chromosomes. It contains 46 chromosomes. Primary spermatocytes also contains 46 chromosomes because here mitosis occurs. Mitosis is a equational cell division. Mitosis is a equational cell division and chromosome number maintained constant. Primary spermatocytes complete its first meiotic division and meiosis is a reductional cell division. Here chromosome numbers gets reduced. So that's why primary spermatocytes contains 46 chromosomes, whereas secondary spermatocytes contains 23 chromosomes, hence they are haploid cells. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ನಂಬರು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ and primary spermatocytes are also diploid cells, whereas secondary spermatocytes are haploid cells. See, the secondary spermatocytes complete its second meiotic division. Secondary spermatocytes completes its second meiotic division and leads to the formation of spermatids. See here, there are 4 equal haploid cells are formed. 4 equal haploid cells are formed. They are called spermatids. Secondary spermatocytes complete its second meiotic division and leads to the formation of 4 cell bantu, haploid cell bantu, and they are called spermatids. Spermatids also contains 23 chromosomes, that is N. First meiotic division is reductional, second meiotic division is equational. So that's why secondary spermatocytes contains 23 chromosomes and spermatids also contains 23 chromosomes. And see these spermatids, what is the meaning of spermatids? See, these spermatids are non-functional, non-motile and inactive. These spermatids are non-functional, non-motile and inactive. It undergoes physiological and morphological change and leads to the formation of sperms. See, leads to the formation of sperms. These spermatids, write down here, spermatids. How many spermatids are formed? 4 spermatids are formed. Let us write here 4 spermatids. 4 spermatids are formed from the secondary spermatocytes. These spermatids are inactive, non-functional, and non-motile. See, these inactive, non-functional and non-motile spermatids undergoes physiological and morphological changes and transformed into sperms. See, finally there is a formation of sperms. Sperms are active, functional and motile. So active, functional and motile sperms are formed from the inactive, non-motile and non-functional spermatids. See, this process is called spermiogenesis. This process is called spermiogenesis, and here spermatids undergoes differentiation. Spermatids undergoes morphological and physiological differentiation and leads to the formation of sperms. So spermatids transform to sperm is called spermiogenesis. Now what is the definition of spermiogenesis? So the inactive, non-functional and non-motile spermatids transformed into active, functional and motile sperms by a process called spermiogenesis. So ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ತನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಟಾಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫೇಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಬಿ enters the growth phase and grows for a brief period, and this phase is called growth phase. Primary spermatocyte completes first meiotic division and there is a formation of 2 equal haploid cells called secondary spermatocytes, and secondary spermatocytes completes second meiotic division and there is a formation of 4 equal haploid cells. Primary spermatocyte in the spermatids ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ. See, this phase is called maturation phase. See, this phase is called maturation phase. And spermatids in the sperms ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮಿಯೋಜೆನೆಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The sperms are formed from the spermatids and this process is called spermiogenesis. So ಈ ಒಂದು spermatids in the sperms ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ spermatids undergoes morphological and physiological differentiation. So that's why you can write here differentiation. So there are 3 phases. The first one is multiplication phase, the second one is growth phase, and third one is maturation phase, and the last one is spermiogenesis, that is the formation of sperms from spermatids. So that is nothing but differentiation. Actually this spermatogenesis process occurs in the seminiferous tubule. See, this is the seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule contains a cell known as Sertoli cell. Seminiferous tubule contains a cell known as Sertoli cell. Inside the seminiferous tubule, spermatogonial cells are present. So that's why the sperm formation occurs within the seminiferous tubule. See, after spermiogenesis means after the formation of sperms, the sperm head becomes embedded in the Sertoli cell. See, like this. See, this is the sperm head. See, this is the sperm head. Sperm head becomes embedded in the Sertoli cell. ಈ Sertoli cell ಗೆ sperm head ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So finally these sperms are released from the seminiferous tubule. See, what is this? See, this is known as seminiferous tubule. See, finally the sperms are released from the seminiferous tubules. See, this process is called spermiation. This process is called spermiation. Spermiation means after spermiogenesis, means after the formation of sperms from spermatids, sperm head embedded in the Sertoli cell, because Sertoli cell provide nourishment to the developing sperms. So that's why sperm head embedded in the Sertoli cell. These sperms finally released from the seminiferous tubules of the testes, and this process is called spermiation. So let us recall once again. The first one, the spermatogonial cell present in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. The spermatogonial cell undergoes mitotic differentiation and increase its number, and this phase is called multiplication phase. Spermatogonia, some of the spermatogonia continues to divide. They are type A, and some of the spermatogonia acts as a precursor of sperms. They are type B. Type B spermatogonial cell enters growth phase and are nourished by Sertoli cells and grows for a brief period. Now they are called primary spermatocytes. Spermatogonia B ಯಾವಾಗ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿ ಸೆರಟೋಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ತನ್ನ ಸೈಜನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೋ, ಅದೇ ಸೈಜನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಗೋನಿಯಾ ಬಿನ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಮೆಟೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 haploid cells are formed. They are called secondary spermatocytes. It will complete second meiotic division and there is a formation of spermatids, and this phase is called maturation phase, and these spermatids are inactive, non-motile and non-functional. They are transformed into motile, active and functional sperms by a process called spermiogenesis. After spermiogenesis, the sperm head becomes embedded in the Sertoli cell. They are finally released from the seminiferous tubules by the process called spermiation. See, the spermatid also contains 23 chromosomes, that is haploid, and sperms also contains 23 chromosomes. They are also haploid, but primary spermatocytes are diploid. Secondary spermatocytes are also haploid. Thank you.